Yeah, they're at A2. They're at A2. Just be careful, bro. Cunts might be watching these doors, waiting for us to go out. You want to head to the roof, bro? Should we just take the roof of this building?
Yep.
Ow!
Ow, what?
I just got shot by the GAUSS, dude. I'm pretty sure I'm knocked out. I'm knocked out. Can you resuscitate me?
If you got shot.
Patient. Most definitely. God, to see somebody like fighting a zombie over there. Oh, there's somebody running in right now. Oh my God. Okay. What if I got them when they were running? They need to run towards me. Did that work? I see him prone. I see him prone. Oh my God, they're dead.
Very content.
Come on, bro. Don't lock the door. What are you doing?
I've locked everything up, motherfucker. You come in, I'll fucking blow your fucking skull to fucking Kingdom Come,
Bro,
motherfucker.
what are you doing laying there? Come on, bro.
Leave me in a
Why are you
white
laying
child.
down? What are you doing having a snooze there, bro?
Oh, shit! Fuck you!
Oh.
I would just walk away, dude.
Get him, Rachel. Just walk away, dude.
Come on, bro. I'm just being friendly.
You are not being friendly. You're being a stereotypical cocksucker. I've seen millions of you.
Bro.
You're all the same. I'm friendly. Then you come in knee deep and try to murder us. There's a million people like you out there. There's a million. You're a baker's dozen. You're all the same. You're fucking boring. You bore me. Suck my dick. Get the fuck out of here.
Come on, bro. Don't be like that.
Yeah, I'm like that. I've been fucked in the ass too many times. I've been fucked in the ass too many times.
Bro. What are you talking about?
I've been fucked in the ass. Many times and not this time. I'm sick of it.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, come on, bro. Come on, bro. I want to come in. I just want to fire. Come on, bro.
Oh, what the hell? Why you do this?
Come on, man. I just want to fire, man. There's no reason why you want to come in here. Why would you want to come in here? Yeah, because you're a fucking stereotypical bandit. Yeah. Oh, what happened now? Come on, bro. Come on. And now you start shooting. And now you started to shoot. That's why you ain't getting in. That's why you ain't getting in, motherfucker.
Open this door, you little baby.
Nah. You're a little baby. You know what I do to you? I'm gonna fucking murder you. And you know what after I'm gonna do to you? I'm gonna teabag your body. And then you know what? I'm gonna turn off DayZ and I'm gonna pleasure myself over and over again.
Put your money where your mouth is, bro. Let's do it.
Mate, you are nothing. You're a fucking peasant. Get the fuck out of my face.
Hey, I got my bare fist out here. What do you got?
I've got a double round fucking barrel shotgun pointed at this fucking door. That's what I've fucking
open
got.
it, unlock it, and let's shoot
And
you
fucking unlocking shit. Get the fuck out of here. You're out of your element.
Ah, come on, bro.
You're out of your fucking element and you know it.
Here all night. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna stay here for longer. How you doing, Rachel? That's my boy.
What's your name, mate?
How about those apples?
Dude.
How about those apples, motherfucker? Is that it? Is that it? Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Is that it? Is that it?
No,
We get the fuck out of here. We gotta move.
Still. No, not behind the tree. Not behind the tree. Stand still. Woo! 700 meters. 735. 735.
Whoa.
Target eliminated.
Hey.
Woo!
Awesome shot. Hey, 700 meters, that's fucking amazing.
I know. Thank you. I'm glad you were here.
The strike.
Catch it. White jacket?
that guy wasn't even me. Oh my god! Oh my god! I just did that! What?
There's quite. You've got the blaze rounds you want, yeah. You're just not taking the tracers. Oh no! Oh, fuck's sake.
Alright, whatever.
If you go...
Run, Bill, run!
Headshot!
Oh no, couldn't tell you.
No, not me. I haven't really.
Hey, Dellor, it's...
Alright, well, I'm gonna go check it out. If I die, go with me, man. It looks like I'm already dead.
Oh my god! They're fucking alive now, dude! Fucking zombies, man! Fucking dumbass fucking garbage. Fuck! Fuck! Fucking cocksucker. Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit.
It seems relatively slow. DayZ's a game that doesn't throw up so much like that. I mean, even just that guy there that we just met, right? He was cowering in the dark behind a doorway, shit scared because he could hear me coming, and he's got no gun, you know? He was petrified. That kind of feeling you don't get from many other games, you know? He was really scared of what might happen. And that's exactly what can happen. I just got killed. I don't even know where from. He was in the house. Fuck. I saw him. I shouldn't have re-leaned. He hit me with an SKS to the head, I think. So if I'd worn the helmet, maybe we wouldn't have died. Saw him that time. Where's he gone now? Where's he gone? Oh, shit. You alright, son? Take a seat. It was a bloodsucker, yeah, if you're asking what it was. A lot of Namouse servers have got extra AI, which are dangerous as fuck. That's what that was. I checked the wrong corner.
Look how these clips are looking. I'm bothered. Okay, whatever. Get all the bullets together. It's so nice. It's finally so nice. Finally. Meds with meds. But what if it dedicated epi and morphine area? Repairables! Fuck! This is all fucked up! Okay. Okay, what am I doing here? What am I doing here? I'm sorry, I'm having a problem. I'm having a problem. I need to... I'm so close to finishing it, you know? Where do the healing things go? Healing things will go in the jacket. Right? So we have more space, too, for repairables, which are so close to being perfect. You are an outlier. You're a piece of shit. I'm not even going to take you. Okay, you... Repairables are meant to be near each other. This isn't working. Okay, clips. Maybe clips can go different. Clips can go over here. Repairables, this leather sewing kit is really fucking you up, Repairables. Fuck you. All right, come on, no, go. There, okay. Nice smooth line of Repairables. No! No, what do I do with you? You, near the axe, because it makes sense. You down here because you're big. Okay. Okay, that sorts that out. All right. Clips on the right. Clips on the right. That's the new system. Clips on the right. That's what we do here. Good. Okay. Bullets with like bullets going in a line. Good. Okay. You. Below, below, below. All right. Good. Good. What? What's this gap for? I don't know. Fucking. All right. The most common bullet at the top. Second most common. Rare. Okay. Good. Now, what are we missing? Fucking battery. Why do you exist? Where do you go? Where do you exist for? What do you do? What do you... Ah! We don't have more batteries. I don't know where to put it. Fuck! Let's duel. Come on. Machete versus this motherfucker. If Shovel Guy steps in, let's team up on him. I got no allegiances here. All right.
Whoa, hold up, John.
No, don't worry about that. It's not at us.
Let's go.
All right. What? Oh, God. Okay, I concede. I've lost. Let's team up. No, you've broken you violated the duel. Oh, Jesus. You son of a bitch.
Alright, listen.
You have no honor.
You conceded.
You can't hurt me. I'm a trickster. You've messed with the wrong trickster today. Come, fight. Fight.